A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Hello students, this is your teacher MEHBAH NASIR, and today we are going to talk about perimeter. Perimeter of any shape is the total length of the boundary of that shape. In other words, we can say that the perimeter is the sum of lengths of all the sides of a shape. Considering the figure below, which is a square with each side of 7 meters, if we have to find the perimeter of this square, we'll start from a point and go around the boundary and add up the lengths of all the sides, which are 7 meters plus 7 meters plus 7 meters plus 7 meters, which will give us the total distance of 28 meters. Let's have some more examples of different shapes and find their perimeters. Right now we have a rectangle in front of us, and it has a specific property that its opposite sides are of equal lengths. Let's name this rectangle as A, B, C, D. The opposite sides A, B and C, D are of equal length, that is 5 centimeters. Similarly, AD and BC are of equal length, that is 2 centimeters. To find perimeter of this shape, we'll start from A up to B, which is 5 centimeters. We will write it as AB equals 5 centimeters. Then going from B to C, that is 2 centimeters, we'll write it as BC equals 2 centimeters, CD equals 5 centimeters, and finally DA equals 2 centimeters. The perimeter of this shape will be found by adding up all the lengths together, which is 14 centimeters in this case. Moving on to the next shape, which is a 6-sided closed figure, a hexagon. We name it as PQRSTU. To find perimeter of this shape, we'll start from P up to Q and we'll write it as PQ equals 5 centimeters. From Q to R is again 3 centimeters. We'll write it as QR equals 3 centimeters. R to S is 3 centimeters. We'll write it as RS equals 3 centimeters. From S to T, it's again 5 centimeters. We'll write it as ST equals 5 centimeters. From T to U, it's again 3 centimeters. We'll write it TU equals 3 centimeters, and finally UP is also 3 centimeters. To find perimeter of this shape, we'll add up all these sides together and get the final answer, which is 22 centimeters. Next shape that we have is a square whose all sides are of equal length. We name it as square ABCD, whose all the sides are of the same length, that is 5 centimeters. To find its perimeter, we'll start from A up to B, which is 5 centimeters, and write it as AB equals 5 centimeters. From B to C is also 5 centimeters, so we write it as BC equals 5 centimeters. CD is also equal to 5 centimeters, and DA is also 5 centimeters. To find the perimeter of this square, just add up all these 4 sides together and we get the perimeter 20 centimeters. The next shape we have is a 5-sided closed figure, which is called a pentagon. Let's name it as VWXYZ. To find its perimeter, start from V up to W, which is 5 centimeters. Write it as VW equals 5 centimeters. WX equals 4 centimeters. XY is 6 centimeters. YZ is 3 centimeters. And finally ZV is 1 centimeter. To find the perimeter of this pentagon, we'll add up all the sides together and get the perimeter, which is 19 centimeters. In the similar way, we can find perimeter of any multi-sided shape. Let's have a word problem related to perimeter. Farmer Atif's field is a rectangle 200 meters long and 75 meters wide. If he walk along its boundary, how far does he walk? Here we have to keep in mind that the field is in rectangle shape, a rectangle whose opposite sides are of equal length. The longer side is called length and the shorter side is called width. Hence, both the longer sides will be considered of length 200 meters and both the shorter sides will be considered of length 75 meters. To find perimeter of this rectangular field, we'll first name this rectangular field as ABCD. The length AB is of 200 meters, BC is 75 meters, CD is again 200 meters, and DA finally is 75 meters. To find the perimeter, which is the total distance Atif will walk along the boundary, we will add up all the sides and get the final answer, which in this case is 550 meters. Hopefully you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified for all the new videos. Allah Hafiz.